Ever wondered why some teams perform like a well-oiled machine while others struggle to find their rhythm? The answer might lie in a simple yet profound model developed by psychologist Bruce Tuckman. Dive into the realm of team dynamics, where Tuckman's model of team development offers insights into the stages that teams go through to reach their full potential. The first stage, known as forming, is where the journey begins. Picture a group of individuals brought together for a common purpose. They are polite, positive, and somewhat anxious about the task ahead. There is a high dependence on the team leader for guidance and direction. This stage is often characterized by uncertainty about the team's objectives and individual roles. The second stage, storming, might sound ominous, but it's a necessary part of growth. Here, the team members start to push against the boundaries established in the forming stage. There can be conflicts and competition as individuals start to express their personal opinions and differences. However, this stage is not about winning battles, but about finding common ground and resolving differences. Next comes the norming stage. By now, the team has a better understanding of each other's strengths and weaknesses. They respect the authority of the team leader and cooperate with one another. There is a strong sense of team spirit and unity. The team starts to function as a single entity, and productivity increases. The final stage, performing, is the epitome of teamwork. The team is highly focused, motivated, and autonomous. They share a common vision and work towards their goals with a high degree of interdependence and flexibility. The team leader becomes more of a coach, guiding the team towards its objectives. Now, Tuckman did add a fifth stage, adjourning or mourning. This is where the team disbands after achieving its goal. It's a time for reflection, celebration, and sometimes a sense of loss. So what's the big deal about Tuckman's model? Understanding these stages can help team leaders and members navigate the often choppy waters of team dynamics. It provides a roadmap to follow, helping teams to understand where they are, where they're heading, and what they need to do to get there. It's important to remember that not all teams will follow these stages linearly. Some may skip stages, while others may revisit stages, but being aware of these stages can better equip teams to handle conflicts, build cohesion, and ultimately perform better. In essence, Tuckman's model is a tool for optimizing team performance. It highlights the journey of a team from a group of individuals to a cohesive, high-performing unit. It emphasizes the importance of conflict resolution, cooperation, and shared vision in team building. So next time you find yourself wondering why your team isn't performing as expected, consider where you are in Tuckman's stages. Are you still forming, storming, norming, or have you reached the performing stage? Remember, every stage has its own challenges and opportunities. Embrace them, navigate through them, and watch your team thrive.